I'm going to be me this year, try out new things. I'm going to change things now. I'm not going to follow the paradox of design. Either you are with me, अगर कुछ अलग चाहिए, so it's time that you subscribe Interior Mata. That's why all the क्या चल रहा है दुनिया में. लास्ट ईयर के बीचों बीच में आई गॉट रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड व्हेन आई विजिटेड माय फेवरेट इवेंट ऑफ द ईयर. इसी इवेंट पे मुझे 2 साल पहले एक इंस्पिरेशन मिला था और वो इंस्पिरेशन के अराउंड मैंने अपना घर बनाया था. उस इंस्पिरेशन में कुछ मटेरियल्स थे, कुछ स्टोन एलिमेंट्स थे जो मैंने अपने घर पे इम्प्लीमेंट किया था. आई वुड से flabbergasted. I was in awe when I visited this same event in 2022. But जब लास्ट ईयर मैंने विजिट किया, I noticed that the same event that happened, usually this happens in every 2 years, has lost all of its charm. Not because that people were not trying. People are nowadays influenced by the social media, by the Pinterest, whatever they are consuming. The paradox of design starts. This video is going to be for people who loves exploring, likes to question things, ना के blindly चीजों को फॉलो करें. लेट्स बकल अप. वी गेट 15 to 30 reads every day on our helpline call line number, and we see this trend that, hey Ananya, we have this budget and we want to design this home like this. Hey Ananya, we have a budget of this. How I'm supposed to pay you? And all of these requirements are absolutely identical. Identical because you are thinking, Ananya, I am lacking this reference where everything is very beige, very Pinteresty. आप मुझे जो रेफरेंस भेज रहे हो, all the references, everything is absolutely same. Not only same, absolutely identical. You are thinking you are choosing your color of your home. क्या select कर रहे हो? Same single thing. You think you like beige sofas because you have seen 12 other homes having the same beige sofa that you want to pick. You are again the trend, even the local store, जो सबसे simple store है आपके आजू बाजू में, you go there, I am 200% sure you will find a curved sofa because it is in trend for few years now. So are we choosing things or it is the internet, some people sitting somewhere just using their brain to create trends? What do you think? So, did you think that हर साल के शुरुआत में there is going to be a Pinterest trend that is going to trend everywhere? And I wondered, what if we are all being manipulated? I have thought about it. Like I've gone into the deep research of this and I did this. So basically I'm going to do a search. When I'm searching, this is my personal feed, like what I search on Pinterest. This is kind of design that even I believe in, very very luxurious as per my context. Okay, very interesting. Like look at this, very interesting है ना. Nothing regular, you won't see in my feed anything regular. चलो अब I just open another account. I'll change this to business account, which is Interior Mata Studio. I opened this recently, like 1 week पहले ही. Let me search luxury design. Now these are the references that I am getting because इसमें ना I'm not using it for my regular feed. If I want to see something which is not showing into my regular feed, तो इसके लिए वो account मैं करती हूँ. अब मैं आप लोगों को I'll show it from my team members account. Okay, चलो भूमित, मुझे तेरा लैपटॉप देना. By the way, भूमित is our project manager. चलो भूमित के फीड पे देखते हैं लग्जरी डिजाइन क्या दिखाता है. ब्राइटनेस अगर आपको दिख रहा है, मेरी फीड है. हाँ, मतलब लग्जरी डिजाइन इंटीरियर पे सर्च करें, सेम नहीं है. फिर भी देखो लाइक वहाँ पे बहुत ऐसे, हाँ यहाँ पे अर्चेस, मतलब ये जो चीज़ हम लोग बाकी लोगों के घर पे अभी देख रहे हैं, दिस इज बिकॉज you know Pinterest is trying to somehow push it and somehow this particular ad is everywhere. Otherwise अगर उसकी फीड तुम लोग देखो तो do you notice like कितने सारे आर्चेस हैं? 1 2 3 4 आर्चेस, 5 6 7 8 9, कितना आर्चेस, बाप रे. तुमने सर्च किया था आर्च डिजाइन? किया था, उसने सर्च किया था आर्च वाला डिजाइन. luxury and art. So interesting, guys. It's not what you think. So basically, the luxury that we search for absolutely curated what actually we were looking, which can be a very good thing and bad thing. If I say colors are manipulating you, if I say lights are manipulating you, on the other hand, same is happening with Instagram as well. Now, as a human being, as also like me, मुझे पता होता है कि मैं जो परचेस करने जा रही हूँ, या फिर मुझे ये कपड़े खरीदने हैं, या फिर मुझे ये आउटफिट खरीदना है, या फिर मुझे ये पर्टिकुलर हैंडल चाहिए, इट विल लुक परफेक्ट हियर. यू आर ऑलवेज क्रेविंग फॉर मोर. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस घर में ये चीज अच्छा लगा होगा. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आपके घर में भी अच्छा लगेगा. यू जस्ट सेंड अस द रील्स एंड वीडियोस एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कि ये डिजाइन आपके बजट में ये सारी चीजों को लेते हुए कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. बट द डे वन डिस्कशन was about the budget, was about the what kind of aesthetics you like, are you flexible with your budget. जहाँ पे I would say मेरी 60% clients ना बोलते हैं like Ananya, I am fixed with this 40 lakhs for 3 BHK. So now the paradox of design starts. You are seeing it everywhere, and ऐसा नहीं है कि just because you are trying to look for it. Our phone are constantly listening to what we are saying. They are kind of forcing you towards a mold. अब आप सोचोगे इसमें भी बुरा क्या है? You know, I get to choose my own furniture. I get to choose what kind of kitchen I like. I get to choose what kind of tiles I like, right? Actually, no. You consciously and subconsciously, you are not choosing the right things for your home because nothing is curated anymore. Remember when I started using cane in my project, the first project I posted on YouTube, wicker cane, Shitol party. I did it in when these were not in trend, like I think 2021, right? The first 2 projects जहाँ पे आपने देखा कि अनन्या को केन पसंद है, and that was not because Pinterest मुझे बोल रहा था, because I grew up in a Bengali family. I saw a lot of furnitures जहाँ पे केन की delicate work होती थी. I like how breathable it is. I like the natural finish. I like everything about the cane or wicker. Now let's come to the phase 3. So I selected a beige sofa because you saw it in some influencers का account. आपने white walls यूरोप पे गए थे, वॉल पे मोल्डिंग देखा, you are asking your designer क्या हम ये मोल्डिंग्स अपने घर पे बना सकते हैं? The wave table, wave furniture, wave ceiling. He selected all this. But क्या वो आपका selection था even? You have taken inspiration, but once you started taking those inspiration, your entire feed will be that, and you feel like हाँ भाई यही ट्रेंड है. वो चीज because you search for it once, यही दिखाने लगेगा कि यही सच्चाई है, और आपकी रियलिटी ही वो बन जाएगी. That's why all the fucking projects, all the designs, all the homes look same. अगर मैं डिजाइनर्स हायर कर रही हूँ, पीपल आर सो गुड एट रिसर्च नाउ. अगर मैं डिजाइनर्स हायर करूँ, दे विल गो थ्रू माई फीड, go through my YouTube channel, and they will pick up some cane shutters, पीछे थोड़ा paneling, wooden paneling, and then there will be texture, and you can see it in front of you. These are 4 different designs sent by 4 different designers that I was planning to hire, and उनके सारे डिजाइन सामने आपके हैं. थोड़े ऑल्टरेशन के साथ सारे डिजाइन सेम टू सेम दिखते हैं, बिकॉज मैंने यूट्यूब में और इंस्टाग्राम में बोल दिया था कि मुझे ऐसे डिजाइन पसंद है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द डार्क साइड ऑफ एस्थेटिक्स. नाउ सब कुछ एस्थेटिकल होना चाहिए, राइट? बहुत लाइक एस्थेटिक्स 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 एस्थेटिक एस्थेटिक्स. ऐसे भी प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, ऐसे भी काम होते हैं, ऐसी भी चीजें होती है जो बियॉन्ड एस्थेटिक्स होते हैं, एंड स्लोली द फैमिली दे आर लिविंग इन एंटायर स्पेस will start adopting the way you want to live. ऐसे भी घर होते हैं, and I won't say कि घर होते हैं, मतलब जहाँ पे people can take care of the weather, we can take care of the nature of the home, we can take care of everything. I know there will be a lot of complications, right? बहुत सारे complications आते ही हैं projects में. A good designer can do all those things. Last but not the least, the paradox of design. I feel like crying at this moment because I love this industry. I love everything about interior designing. I love everything about furniture. I love every single details. And जब भी मैं देखती हूँ कि It is just everything looks same now. It hurts me a lot. मेरे खुद के clients नहीं समझते हैं जब मैं उनको समझाने की कोशिश करती हूँ, Pinterest से इंस्पिरेशन मत लीजिए, let us do something different. Gemini, which I don't feel bad, honestly, मुझे बुरा नहीं लगता है कि Gemini है भी, या फिर ChatGPT can do alteration and everything. So I have decided few things for me that I'm not going to do, right? I have reduced my team size, I would say a little. Okay, I have reduced it because I don't want to do a lot of project moving forward. I am just absolutely disheartened by the process because मैं करियर कब का चालू किया था? I started in 2012 when I was in second year of my college. So काफी साल हो गए यार, 13-14 साल हो गए जब से मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हूँ. Full pride in it, full like 200%, like जितना pride मेरे को हो सकता है ना, to be in this industry, to be in this career, to be in front of you, to be in front of my clients, services, whatever I provide, I take pride. Even if I am doing it wrong, I make sure that I learn from my mistake, I don't repeat it. But I am tired, I'm exhausted, I cannot do it anymore. Don't अगर आपको चाहिए एक यूनिक होम जो क्यूरेटेड है आपके लिए, आपके पर्सनैलिटी के लिए, आपके कैरेक्टर के लिए, आपके लाइफस्टाइल के लिए, then only think about India Mata, because I'm tired of creating generic projects. I'm going to be me this year. I'm going to try out new things. I'm going to design creative projects. I'm going to change things now. Okay, I'm not going to follow the paradox of design. Either you are with me, so be here, subscribe in India Mata. There are other YouTube videos, other creators. बहुत है. But अगर कुछ अलग चाहिए, so it's time that you subscribe in India Mata. Love you all guys. Bye.